Yeah, guys, we have done rational numbers. We have done rational numbers. We have done linear equations. We have done understanding quadrilaterals. We have done exponents and powers. We have done direct and inverse proportion. We have done what do we say? What else have we done? We have done squares and square roots. We have done cubes and cube roots. Cubes and cube roots. We have done mensuration. By far, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chapters we are done with. Yeah. Am I missing out any chapter that we did? I don't think so. That this is all we did. Now, Abubakar, your school started algebraic expressions. Expressions. Priyanka, your school has done introduction to graphs. To graphs.
Yes, sir.
And there was one more chapter that your school has done comparing quantities. Rest
Yes,
everything
sir.
is same, right? Except these two chapters, we have done other chapters that have been done in your school, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So introduction to graphs is easy. We can do it in one day. That is not an issue. The two big chapters are algebraic expressions and comparing quantities. Okay. There are two big chapters, algebraic expressions and comparing quantities. Abubakar, have you got a date of your exam or like something like that?
No, sir.
Are you sure they would be in September?
Yes, sir. Uh, sir, my science teacher said that it is gonna be on September.
Okay. Okay. So I think that they are going to be in September. And so we should start with algebraic expressions. After algebraic expressions, we will be doing comparing quantities. So Priyanka, your school would open on 7th September. So yeah, we have still 10 days to that. Okay, let's see when you get the date for the exam, then we'll do comparing quantities and then introduction to graphs is easy. That is just 1 to 2 days. Okay, so today we are going to start with algebraic expressions. Okay. Guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll just create the notebook, then we'll discuss. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, before starting this chapter, does anyone has any doubt in any of the previous chapters that we have done?
Sir.
No, sir.
Yes, Abubakar, you have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Minisha?
Sir, I wasn't there for most of the chapter.
What?
I didn't attend the class for the last chapter, like for 2 weeks.
Mensuration. Yeah, most of the part I know you haven't done for mensuration. But
Yeah,
yes, your school is a way bit behind. It's a lot behind.
yes, yes.
So when your exams will be coming, we'll do that chapter with you. Okay. So don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, so today to start with algebraic expressions and identities. Okay. So to be straight honest, algebraic expressions is a boring part. Identities is an interesting part. Okay. Now, first thing is what is algebraic expressions? Okay. What is an algebraic expressions? So tell me one thing. Identities part is there in this chapter or not? Because I think it has been cut. I need to check. Yeah, they cut the identities part in the new book. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I was correct. They cut the identities part. Okay, guys. Most probably the identities part is not there in your syllabus. It might be cut. Okay, but let me make it very clear to you that we would be doing identities part because identities is actually important. We would need them in the chapter factorization. Okay, so instead of doing there, I'm going to tell you this here only the identities part. Also, in the ninth class, we'll be having the second chapter polynomial. So in that chapter, they expect you to have these four identities to know. Okay, but they don't think without they just do anything. NCRT, I can't just say anything about them. They just do anything. Anyways, what you're gonna do is we are gonna do till here in this, and then I also tell you the identities part. Okay, and most probably your school would also do the identities part. Okay, so start with what is an algebraic expression, guys. In very simple terms, you have learned from various classes that there is something which is known as a variable. What was a variable? Variable was any unknown quantity, any unknown quantity, the value of which is not fixed. The value of which is not fixed. Value is not fixed. That is known as a variable. Let me give you an example. All the alphabets you see X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Even you must have heard alpha, beta. theta you see in the class 10th. Okay, in physics and all, theta, gamma, all these are known as variables. Why are they known as variables? Let me give you an example. If I have x plus 5 is equal to 7, can anyone tell me the value of x here?
2.
2. Value of x here is coming is 2. Okay, but if I do it x plus 5 is equal to 9, now the value of x would come 4. So is the value of x fixed or is it varying? We can say that value of x varies with question to question. So what is x? X is a variable. Variable comes from the word that is anything is varying. Okay, so anything is varying, so that becomes the word variable. Is variable clear, guys? What is it? This is very basic. I know you all must thinking myself everything, but there might be some point that you missed. So variables is clear, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, second thing is a constant. Constant, any number. Simple. Any number. 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 87 by 3. Okay. Anything that is a constant. Pi is a constant. Okay. Root 2 is a constant. All the numbers are constant. And the last thing that we know is known as a coefficient. Coefficient. What is coefficient? Anything, anything apart from a particular variable in a term. Variable in a term is a coefficient. Let's say I have 5x. So here this 5 here is not known as a constant, it is known as a coefficient. Okay, 5 is the coefficient. Okay, I write 5xy. So here 15xy. So here 15 is a coefficient. Okay. Now, but if they particularly ask that, let's say they ask what is the coefficient of x in this term. Now they are saying particularly for x. So let's say I have the term 7xy. So here the coefficient would become 7y. The coefficient is equal to 7y. Means anything apart from x in that particular term. Guys, is this clear till here? What is the variable, constant, and a coefficient?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, note this down.
Third
Manisha,
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write this.
Third
Priyanka, Manisha, done?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you
Yes,
explain
sir.
what is the
See,
coefficient again?
see, Abubakar, coefficient is there is a term. Okay. Like let's say I have 15x square y. Now they are asking find the coefficient in this term. So the coefficient is the number in that term. Anything except variables. So this is 15. Okay. This is the coefficient. Clear, Abubakar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But if they ask, let's say 15x square y. If they say find the coefficient of x square. Now they have mentioned x square. So everything except x square in that term. So 15y is the coefficient. 15y. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Okay. Now how to add algebraic expressions? Addition and addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. Very simple. Let's say I take this example. I have to add x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square, 4x plus y is equal to 7. Many. I have to add 7x plus 5y minus 3x square. So let's take this. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. This one I have to add 9x minus 10. Okay. So guys, always remember we can only add and subtract the ones with the same variables. So 7x square there is no other 7x square, so I will write 7x square as it is. Okay, guys, clear? Clear? I write 7x square as it is because there is no other 7x square. Now I have minus 4x plus 9x. Okay, so both of them as x, so I just solve the coefficients of them. So minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5. So this is plus 5x, and then 5 plus, and then plus 5 minus 10 is minus 5. So this is how we do it. Clear, guys? This is pretty basic. I guess we have done this in the previous classes as well.
Yes, sir.
Simple equations and all. Minisha, Priyanka, any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Now, what they are saying that, okay, so try example one, guys. Okay, guys, try example one. This is a comma here and a comma here.
Sir, done.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting? Okay, what are you getting?
Sir, minus 8 x square y square is z square plus
No, 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 no. You did a mistake. See, the mistake you did was there were 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx plus 4yz plus 9zx plus 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y minus 3zx 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy minus 2xy. Now see, xy term, look at for any other xy term. This is one xy term. This is another xy term. So 7x minus 2xy, 7xy minus 2xy would be 5xy. So this is equal to 5xy. Okay, so keep underlining what you have done. Now see 5yz term. 5yz is one this term. Yz, another yz is this term. Is there any other? No. So 5yz plus 4yz, this is 9yz. So 5 plus 4 is 9, so 9yz. Then check for 3 minus 3xz, so xz term. So zx. So this is another zx. 3 zx term. Let me check it. Did I write the question correct? Xz, zx. Yeah. So see zx term or zx term, and this is also zx. Basically, you write xz or zx. That is the same thing. So three terms. So minus 3 plus 9 minus 3. So this is plus 3xz. Okay, guys. Then this term also done, this term also done, this one also done. Then minus 4y as it is, then plus 5x as it is. So this is the final answer. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Did you get it? Priyanka? Minisha?
Yes,
Minisha?
sir.
Should I explain it again?
No, sir.
Okay. Guys, let me tell you one more method that might be helpful for you. Some students find it helpful, some students find this way helpful. Whatever way you find. Okay, I'll tell you that way also. Right, this 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx. 7xy, just a 7xy minus 5yz plus 5yz minus 3zx minus 3zx. अरे यार minus 3zx. Okay, then in the next one, write 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y. 4yz. So now I'm going to write it here 4yz. Then 9zx. So zx term I'm going to write under zx only plus 9 plus 9zx. And then I have minus 4y. So we don't have a y term here. So I'm going to write minus 4y here like this. And then at last we have minus 3zx, minus 3xz. So minus 3xz would come under this one because this is the same like term, minus 3xz. Guys, like term means the ones which are same variables. And minus 3xz plus 5x. 5x is not there, any of them. So plus 5x as it is. So this was 4y. And at last we have minus 2xy. So xy term is this one. So I'm under it, I'm going to write minus 2xy. Okay. Now simply add them. So 7xy minus 2xy is 5xy. 5yz plus 4yz. This is plus. So plus 4yz is plus 9yz. Then minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 3zx. This is plus 3zx xz or whatever you want, right? Okay, because minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 is 3. Minus 4y as it is and plus 5z 5x as it is. Okay, so guys, this is the second way. I guess the first way might be easier for all of you. Whatever way suits you, do it that by that way. Okay, write this down.
Third one.
Manisha, Priyanka, are you done writing this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how to subtract? They are saying subtract. Achha guys, first of all, which method was better? This one or this one? Oh, Bagar, according to you?
Sir, the second one.
Okay. Manisha, according to you?
The second one.
Priyanka? Priyanka, which one was better? First one or the second one? See, second method, subtract this. Okay, I'll write this first. Now we are going to learn how to subtract. Okay, but before that, we should know one thing that it says subtract this from this. So guys, if it is very general English, if I say subtract 5 from 8, so this means I have to do 8 minus 5, right? I think first of all, this concept is clear. I have to subtract 5 from 8. This means that take out 5 from 8. So if I have 8 chocolates, I have to take out 5 from them. So 8 minus 5 I will do, and I will be left with 3. So first of all, is this thing clear that if I write this, so the subtract this from this, you will be able to understand it, and you won't write 5 minus 8, because mostly what they do is they write this 5 minus 8 and they do wrong. Okay, guys, is this
Yes,
clear first
sir.
of all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So now see, they are saying that subtract this from this. So basically what we have to do is I have 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Okay, from this I have to subtract minus, I have to subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Okay, how to do it by the first method, I'll tell you that. See guys, when you open this bracket now, so this minus would change all the signs, because see, here we have plus, so minus plus is minus. So this would become minus. Here we have minus. So this means minus is being multiplied with this one. So minus minus would be plus. Minus plus minus. Minus minus plus. So this means that we would write this as, in the next step, we would write this as 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Then I will write, this will become minus. So minus 5x square. Then we change this sign. So this will be plus 4y square. Then we change the sign, so minus 6y. Then we change this sign, so plus 3. Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, 7x square. Any other x square term? Yes, 5x square. So 7x square minus 5x square is 2x square. So 2x square. Cancelled, cancelled. Minus 4xy. Any other xy term I can see? No. I'll just leave it as it is. So this is cancelled. Minus 4xy. 8y square plus 4y square. So this is plus 12y square. These terms also cancelled. 5x. No other term I can see. So plus 5x as it is. Cancelled. Minus 3y minus 6y. So that is minus 9y. And at last plus 3. This is how we do it by the first method. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Nisha, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka? Now how to do it by the second method? I'll write this again. So this is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Okay, and this is 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. So see 5x square, it would come under x square term. So 5x square here, then minus 4y square. Y square term is here, so it was minus. अरे यार, why did I do plus here? अच्छा हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. Minus 4y square, then plus 6y. So plus 6y, y term is here, plus 6y minus 3. Minus 3 would come outside as there is no inside. Okay. Now, guys, in subtraction, what do we do? As I told you, change the signs. So this is plus, this one is plus, right? This is plus 5x square, and this is plus 7x square. So change the signs of the lower one. So you change the sign of this to minus, of this to plus, of this one to minus, and of this one to plus. Now we are only gonna look the below signs, not these ones. So now see, 7x square minus 5x square. So this is 2x square minus 4xy as it is, plus 8y square plus 4y square. So that is plus 12y square, 5x as it is, minus 3y minus 6y. So it is minus 9y and minus 3 and this plus 3 as it is. Okay, so this is how we do it by the second method, and both of them will give you the same answer because the methods are correct both. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, are you getting it? Are you there? Write this both of you. All three of you. Guys, when you will be done writing this, you can leave the class. We'll be in the class now. Okay. I'll see you in the next class. All of you.